2018 question A3, which is conic sections. The image on the right shows the Salmon Weir Bridge over the River Moy in County Mayo. So this bridge is in Ballina, which is widely regarded as the finest town in Ireland, as you know. The drawing below shows an incomplete elevation of the bridge, so looking in from the front. The curved support pillar is based on a parabola which is inscribed in a rectangle, so drawn into the rectangle. So we can use our junior cert rectangle method to draw on this parabola. Just put it into this box. V is the vertex of the parabola and P is the point on the curve. Draw the parabola. So it's going to be starting here and going up around here. So you have two options. You can just draw it into this rectangular box, or you could use the eccentricity method. Find the directrix and draw it that way. And to find the directrix, you'd be coming from the focus to the vertex. Your directrix is going to be the same distance out here, because in a parabola, from the focus to the vertex and from the vertex to the directrix. So that would be my directrix over here. Right, I'll divide up this side into 4 parts at length of 3 points. So I'm going to come out here at 60, and I'm going to go 15 along. Join that at the end here. Bring all these in. That'll be my divisions there. And then I'm going to mirror these across. So 3 points down along here. And by joining my diagonals, or lining up my diagonals, I can then flick this across here. I'll actually put in one line so the examiner knew what I did. So I'm going to put this line across here, like that. So I've just mirrored them onto the edge. Throw on these horizontal lines here. And to find the points on my parabola, just join my lines up. So 3 points is plenty. And then that P is going to be a 4th point. That point on the direction up here. Right, so through P into there. I'll go over this at the end again when I take off the sheet. Now part B. F is the focal point of the parabola. The point P is anchored to the bridge surface by 2 cable stays. So point P is going to be anchored down to the bridge. Kind of like these cables are coming down here. Say point P is up there and you have cables tied in place. The line PF is one cable. The second cable is inclined at 25 degrees to a tangent at point P. So we have to draw a tangent at point P and then come off at 25 degrees. Construct the tangent at point P and draw both cables. So we'll draw one cable first of all. So PF is easy. Construct the tangent at point P. So I need a tangent to this parabola at point P. I was going down the road and putting in my directrix over here. So moving my directrix across to there. This distance from V to F is the same as here because it's a parabola. V is halfway between the directrix and F in a parabola. So the normal way I do it is come from P at 90 degrees to F, take my line down here, but the problem is it's going way off down the sheet down into the question, so the question is down here. So you're going to end up drawing into here. So there's another way of doing it without using the directrix. You can come across horizontally from this point. Take a line across, horizontally across, and then from P down to my focus. If you bisect that line, the tangent will be along here. So horizontal line across, P down to your focus, and then this line up along here is my tangent. There's my tangent to my curve. So my curve will go on heavier at the end. There's my tangent to it. So again, horizontally across, from P back to your focus, bisect triangle. There's my tangent. So they're telling us then that the other cable, the second cable, is inclined at 25 degrees to a tangent at P. So there's my tangent, so I want to come off at 25 degrees. Now, I don't have a protractor, so I'm going to guess this is 30. I'm going to go a bit under 30. So there's my cable off it, which is probably 25 degrees. I might lose a mark or two in the exam. Right, so my tangent's through here, and then that's my 25-degree angle off, that's cable 1, that's cable 2. My last thing is freehanding my curve properly. And then double check my question. Draw the parabola, yep, using the rectangle method. Construct the tangent, yeah, and draw both cables, yeah. So, question done.